Developers, 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 developers. Developers, 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 developers.
I don't know why I put that in there. Hello world, today we'll be looking at bugs. The tasty, mouth-watering,
delicious.
Don't worry, just kidding. Today we'll be looking at computer bugs. What is a bug? A bug is a general term used to describe any unexpected problem with hardware or software. Most bugs arise from mistakes and errors made either in the program's design or its source code, or in components and operating systems used by such programs. The history of bugs. The grand dame of military computing, hold on.
A grande dame is a woman who is accomplished, influential, and a senior figure in a particular field.
Back to history. So the grand dame of military computing, computer scientist and US Navy Rear Admiral Grace Hopper, she deserves a video on her own, coined the terms bug and debug after an incident involving Harvard University's Mark II calculator. Here's how the story goes. On the 9th of September 1947, Grace Hopper traced an error on the Mark II to a dead moth that was trapped in a relay. The insect was carefully removed and taped to the logbook, and the term computer bug was coined. As a result, from that time on, the term bug was used to describe any errors or glitches in a program. The bug was actually found by others, but Hopper made the logbook entry. Debugging. Another closely related word is debugging, which is the process of finding and resolving defects or problems within a computer program. Simply put, debugging is getting rid of bugs. Bugs can be a really serious issue. Other than making the program not work properly, they can cause security vulnerabilities and can be really expensive. Really expensive. No, I mean really expensive. A bug in the Intel Pentium chip program is estimated to have cost the company $475 million, and another caused the Ariane 5 rocket to self-destruct. The Ariane 5 had cost nearly $8 billion to develop and was carrying a $500 million satellite payload when it exploded. I go more in detail about these expensive bugs and why bugs are so expensive in separate videos. Please check them out when I release them, and spoiler alert, one had a $500 billion price tag. The links are all in the description below.
It's 100 degrees, why you feeling down, what's the problem? We just here to be free, it don't feel like this often. Bump into the red